Hello kids, welcome to Starbeam Kids. Today we will learn action words. Come on, say and do the actions with me. Kids, wave means moving your hand. Say, hello, hello. Kids, clap means clapping your hands. Everyone do clap, clap. Kids, jump means going up and down. Let's jump like a rabbit. Jump, jump. Kids, run means moving fast. Say, run, run fast, fast. Kids, sit means sitting down. Quickly sit and say, sit down. Kids, stand means standing up. Get up and say, stand up. Kids, dance means moving with music. Say, dance, dance. Kids, sing means making music with your voice. Say, la la la, sing, sing. Kids, smile means showing your happy face. Give a big smile and say, smile, smile. Kids, cry means making a sad sound. Say, boo hoo hoo. Kids, sleep means closing your eyes and resting. Say, good night, zzz. Kids, eat means having food. Say, yummy, eat, eat. Kids, drink means having milk or water. Say, drink, drink. Kids, point means showing with your finger. Point your finger and say, point, point. Walk kids, walk means moving slowly with steps. Say, walk, walk. Kids, crawl means moving on hands and knees. Say, crawl, crawl. Kids, stretch means moving your arms up. Say, stretch, stretch. Kids, fly means moving like a bird. Spread your arms and say, fly, fly, fly. Kids, laugh means making a happy sound. Say, ha ha ha. Kids, reading means looking at a book. Open a book and say, read, read. Kids, handshaking means holding someone's hand. Shake hands with your friend and say, shake hands. Wow, kids, you learned action words today. Now you know English and you can do the actions too. Clap for yourself, super kids.